Alright, happy Memorial Day. Alright, bought this reciprocating saw. It's actually a used one, but I wanted to show you can take that with a pruning blade and do some serious trimming and cutting with it. You don't even need a chainsaw. But anyway, if anybody doesn't have a reciprocating saw, but how you load a blade, you flip that up, insert the blade the correct way, release it, and it's locked in. And this is also a cordless. So for either hand you can push this button and then that allows you to turn it on. If you go this way left-handed, that way. So the blade, reciprocating saw, the blade goes like this. So it gives you a really good saw. As you can see, this blade makes for a really nice cut. So now I'm going to show you how to use it. You can see I've got a limb right there. Actually, it was a small tree. Took a piece of wood here just to brace it up in the air. And I'm just cutting this for my fire pit. Get a good foot on it so it doesn't vibrate as much. Pick your length. Start cutting when the blade it turns on. I kind of do a saw motion at the same time. There you go. Chainsaw would be a little quicker, but this is light, it's cordless. You know, I've got 5 batteries, I can go a long ways. Alright, now I'll show you how to use it as a pruning blade. We'll head out to some of the trees behind my house and we'll do some pruning with it. Okay, this tree is going to be a perfect example of one of the many that I have around my house that I'm pruning with. So now I'll zoom in on that. As you can see, it's got a lot of dead limbs. So we'll back away so you can watch it in action. Alright. Try and stay out of the way. Okay, that was a simple one. Alright. Like I said, as I'm running it, I go back and forth like a saw. It just helps it along. You can also put a little weight on it. You can listen for the battery and tell when you're just going too much, pushing too hard. You want to cut as close to the tree as you can. One thing, it looks better and it doesn't hurt the tree as much. Okay, as you can see, that works really well. And it's already clearing that up nice. I'll go all the way around it. Clean that up nice. And then once you clean all the limbs and rake, it cleans your area up really good, which I think helps in bugs and everything. All right, well, that's enough. Thanks for watching.